Why BTFD Coin, Pepe Coin, and Bonk Coin are top meme coins. Over the past few years, meme coins have taken the crypto world by storm. What started as a joke with Dogecoin has evolved into a full-blown phenomenon, captivating the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. The sheer unpredictability and community-driven nature of these coins make them a hot topic in the crypto space. As we approach December 2024, many are asking, what are the best meme coins to buy in December 2024 now? The market is buzzing, and savvy investors are keen to catch the next wave of meme coin hype. One coin that's creating a lot of buzz is BTFD Coin. Unlike your typical meme coin, BTFD is gearing up to elevate the game with its play-to-earn (P2E) gaming model, staking rewards, and a vibrant community backing it. This isn't just another coin to throw into your wallet. It's designed to engage and reward its holders. As the presale kicks off on Tuesday, November 26, 2024, priced at just $0.000004 per coin, the anticipation fills the air. With analysts predicting a post-presale listing price of $0.0006, it's no wonder that investors are scrambling to get in early. Let's dive into the details of the best meme coins to buy in December 2024, featuring BTFD Coin, Pepe Coin, and Bonk. BTFD Coin, the new challenger in the meme coin arena. BTFD Coin is making waves in the meme coin landscape, and for good reason. With an enticing presale price of $0.000004, this coin offers one of the most accessible entry points for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. Imagine investing $1,000 in BTFD at the presale price. If the price reaches its target listing of $0.0006, your investment could skyrocket to a whopping $150,000. That's a return most of us only dream about. BTFD's innovative approach to community engagement sets it apart from the rest. The developers are not just throwing out memes and hoping for the best. They're building an ecosystem that includes a P2E game where players can earn rewards while having fun. It's like combining gaming with investing. How cool is that? This model attracts gamers and appeals to crypto enthusiasts looking for real-world utility in their investments. Moreover, the staking rewards associated with BTFD Coin can provide additional income streams for holders. It's not just about holding on to the coin, it's about actively participating in its growth. The community behind BTFD is passionate and driven, which is essential for any meme coin aiming for longevity. As we look to December 2024, BTFD Coin is not just a contender, it's a serious player that could redefine what it means to invest in meme coins. Pepe Coin, the legendary meme coin reimagined. Next up is Pepe Coin, a name that's almost synonymous with meme culture. Drawing inspiration from the iconic Pepe the Frog, this coin has managed to carve out a niche for itself in the crowded meme coin market. The charm of Pepe Coin lies in its grassroots community and the nostalgia it evokes among its holders. Many investors see Pepe not just as a meme coin, but as a cultural artifact, which adds an interesting layer to its investment appeal. As we assess the best meme coins to buy in December 2024, Pepe Coin remains a solid option. Its community-driven initiatives and frequent engagement on social media platforms keep the momentum going. Many analysts believe that Pepe Coin could see significant gains as more people look to invest in coins that resonate with their sense of humor and community spirit. The power of nostalgia can't be underestimated, and Pepe Coin taps into that beautifully. However, potential investors should keep an eye on market trends and community sentiment. While Pepe coin has a dedicated following, the volatility of meme coins can lead to swift price changes. Investors should approach with caution and consider diversifying their portfolios to mitigate risks. Overall, Pepe coin's blend of community, culture, and meme magic makes it a standout option as we head into December 2024. Bonk, the meme coin with a purpose. Last but certainly not least is Bonk, another meme coin that's gained traction in the crypto community. Bonk started as a playful jab at the crypto market, but quickly evolved into a legitimate contender. What makes Bonk particularly interesting is its focus on utility. Unlike many meme coins that rely solely on hype, Bonk has integrated features that allow users to utilize their coins in meaningful ways. Bonk's community is actively involved in charitable initiatives, which has helped to foster a sense of goodwill among its holders. This sense of purpose can often lead to long-term loyalty, which is crucial in the often fickle world of meme coins. As we evaluate the best meme coins to buy in December 2024, Bonk stands out not just for its fun persona, but for its commitment to making a difference. Investors should consider Bonk as part of a balanced portfolio. Its unique positioning in the market, coupled with a dedicated community, makes it a compelling choice. However, as with any investment, thorough research is essential. Keep an eye on market movements and community engagement. These factors can significantly influence Bonk's value in the coming months. Get ready to jump in. As we wrap up our exploration of the best meme coins to buy in December 2024, it's clear that the landscape is as vibrant as ever. BTFD Coin, with its innovative features and community-driven approach, is poised to make a significant impact. If you're looking to get in on the action, now's the time to consider joining the BTFD Coin presale, which is going live on Tuesday. With the potential for substantial returns, this could be your chance to ride the next wave of meme coin success. Don't miss out. Join the BTFD Coin presale right at the start of its journey. The excitement is building, and so are the opportunities. Let's make December 2024 a month to remember in the world of meme coins.